Saturday demonstration was to intensify calls for development in the Oforikrom constituency. Something which began on social media now turns to the streets. 15 electoral areas with a population of over 200,000 form one of the strongholds of the ruling party. But these aggrieved constituents believe the government has failed them. Inscriptions on placards demonstrated their disappointment in their MP and the municipal chief executive. Deplorable roads and stalled projects are major concerns.
Look, this drain used to be very small, but erosion has been going on. All these places were occupied by our mothers who are palm kernel oil makers, and then we have people here who fry gari and so, but because of the erosion that is going on today, they have all been moved out of this place, and we are calling for